Right, solve the following trig equation in the range 0 to 360, and we have 4 sec t equals 5. Well, if 4 of them equals 5, well, 4 sec t equals 5, we can divide both sides by 4 to get the, see when the 4's cancel there, you're left with 1 sec t, or sec t equals 5 over 4. Right, and what's a sec? That was the next question. So we can look at the formulas from the back of the exam sheet. Here they are here, and you can see there up in the top right hand corner that a sec of anything, a sec t or a sec x equals 1 over cos t. So instead of sec t here, I can write down 1 over cos t equals 5 over 4. And I can flip the two sides. That's okay. So it's kind of like cross multiplying, but I can flip them, and I get cos t over 1, which is just cos t, equals 4 over 5. And to get t, I get the cos inverse of that fraction there, 4 over 5. So using the cos inverse function and the fraction key, 4 over 5, close the bracket, press equals, and I get 36, the two decimal places, 36.87 degrees. 36.87 degrees. So t equals 37.87 degrees. Now this isn't really t, this is our base angle, okay? Our base angle. And then we go back to this guy here. The trig identities, sine, cos and tan, are positive like so. Cos is the only one positive here. All are positive here, so sine, cos and tan are positive in this area. And over here, CAS, sine, is positive between 90 and 180, and only tan is positive there. So that's 0, 90, 180 degrees, 270 degrees. So this thing here is cos. The cos is 5 over, or the cos is 4 over 5 is positive. So we're looking for angles in this area here, and this cos is positive, this area here. So 37.87, almost 38 degrees, that'll be one angle there, in there, and the other angle will be down here, right, down there, say. So we have that angle, but to get this other one, we have to get 360 minus the base angle, minus 37.87. So I can type in 360 minus the last answer, and that will give me 323.13 degrees. So both of those angles, that's our second answer, and our first answer is 37.87 degrees. So we could test out those answers. The sec is 1 over cos t, so it does 4 times, for example, it does 4 times 1 over the cos of 323.13. We're expecting that to equal 5. So we can just put it into the calculator like that. 4 multiplied by the fraction 1 over the cos of 323.13, close the bracket, press equals, and I get 5. So it works. And I can do that. This is just a check, right? A check. And I can do the same check for the second answer, 37.87 degrees. So that's going to be 4. I'll just do that in red here. To check this second one, 4 times, the calculator won't do sec, but sec is just 1 over cos, so it's going to be 4 times 1 over the cos of 37.87, and we're going to see what does that equal, right? So 4 multiplied by 1 over the cos of 37.87, close the bracket, press equals, and I get 5.067, so it's very close due to rounding errors. So that's it.